Bird and Kip, Good at Flying. Episode 3, Bird the Hero. The cat crept behind Mrs. Crow.
Look out!
Bird cried. But Mrs. Crow didn't hear her. Ah! Ah! Mrs. Crow said.
I love shiny.
The cat grabbed Mrs. Crow. Mrs. Crow cried. Bird flew down fast.
Bad cat, Whiskers.
The cat gasped. Bird knew its name. It let go of Mrs. Crow. Bird and Mrs. Crow flew away.
Thanks,
Mrs. Crow said. Bird grinned.
let's forget about the contest.
Mrs. Crow nodded.
That's fine. What will you do with the foil?
Bird asked.
You'll see,
Mrs. Crow said. Later, Bird told Kip about the adventure.
Wow, Bird!
Kip said.
You're a hero!
Bird laughed. Mrs. Crow flew over. She handed Bird a medal. It was made of foil.
You're good at flying.
Mrs. Crow said.
No,
Bird said.
we are good at flying.
Everyone laughed.